Hello guys, welcome back to Cuisine Revy. This channel is about teaching you how to make restaurant quality dishes at home. If you're interested in this kind of information, please like and subscribe our channel. And before I start everything, I'm gonna give you a challenge. The challenge is about subscribe our channel, like our video, and comment below. And I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, after you subscribe our channel, we can start on to make our dish. Today we're gonna make an easy, simple dipping sauce, baba ganoush. Baba ganoush is originate from the Middle East. It means spoiled your father. No one know why, but anyway, we'll start making the dish. To start up everything, we are going to make our own pita bread. To start up with, we need some yeast, sugar, and some warm water. We'll let it sit for 10 minutes, let it bubble up. While it's bubbling up, we're going to make our baba ganoush. Firstly, we'll need to roast our eggplant. Slice our eggplant in half and we're going to stuff in our seasoning. After slicing it half, we're going to crisscross it, making sure the seasoning goes inside while roasting. For the seasonings, we'll need some garlic, thyme, rosemary, olive oil, black pepper, and salt. For garlic, just roughly crushed it. And we can roast it inside the oven for around 30 minutes to 45 minutes until it's soft and tender. Now our yeast makes it's bubbly and ready to use, and we can mix it with some flour and salt. I will need to add in more water. And now we'll need to knead it till it's formed out a quite smooth dough. Now our dough is done. We'll need to let it rest for an hour. We'll need some olive oil or flour to prevent it from sticking. and cover it with a towel and let it rest for an hour. And I'll be back in an hour. Our aubergine has finished roasting and we'll move on to our tahini sauce. Tahini sauce is roasted sesame sauce, which is roasted then blend. We'll take half pack of sesame and start dry roasting it. Now our sesame has finished roasting and I've added inside a blender. We need to blend it till smooth. It's been 20 minutes and it's become our tahini sauce. We don't need that much because we only got 2 eggplants. Therefore, I'm going to take half of it out. And next, we're going to scoop out our roasted aubergine along with the herbs and the garlic. Added in our tahini sauce. And we'll need some lemon juice. Some salt and pepper. A little sprinkle of paprika and a drizzle of olive oil. And we can turn our product on. And here we have our homemade baba ganoush. Take it off, put it inside the fridge to chill, and get ready to use. Our sauce is done now. After a bit of cleaning up, and we'll start on to our dough for the pita bread. Our bread dough has been raisined and ready to use. And this is the semi-fine product. We'll need to take it out, press out the air, and knead it till it becomes a ball. This portion is for 4 pita bread, and we will divide it into 4. Form it to a ball again. And let it rest for 45 minutes, and we'll be back. Our dough has finished resting, and I've already advancedly knead three of the bread dough, and now I'm gonna knead the last one. It's just simply pull out the dough, stretch it a bit, mop your hands with olive oil, and press it down. To get a shoe shape. Then it's done. If you want it more fluffier, you can rest it for 10 minutes more. Mine is already fluffy enough, and we'll start pan frying our pita bread. Heat up your pan till it's smoking hot. Then we add in our pita bread to toast for 2 sides. This is the last bread dough that we're cooking. And there's a little trick. When you're making pita bread, it's just hard to make it thoroughly cook while it's pan frying. You can place it inside the tower with the other pita bread so that it can cook while it's cooling down. And we will continue let it cook inside our tower. While it's resting down, we can move on to our baba ganoush, the final decoration. Take few spoons of our baba ganoush base. You need to light it up with some more lemon juice and olive oil. Then we need to add some more olive oil on top of the baba ganoush. Some paprika, freshly cracked black pepper, and I'll pick parsley leaves. Clean the plate. And we'll directly serve our pita bread with the board. I'm just being a bit rustic, just tear off our pita bread. And here we have our baba ganoush with pita bread. And this is our homemade baba ganoush. Although it doesn't look really fancy and pretty, but I'm sure that you won't regret spending an hour time making it. It just tastes so great. Ask your friend to come over and she will always be your guest. And this is our baba ganoush, and I'll see you next time.
I see to every time。
冇猜支咪嘅電喺度買咁嘅垃圾歌，
我覺得好好聽呢首。
你唱得唔好聽。